In today's episode, we'll show you how to do a nourishing sheer manicure treatment, which will take perfect care of damaged or weakened nails and will also be a great complement to care packages for men. Hi, my name is Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. Today, we'll show you how to take care of natural nails without the use of nail polish, aka the shea butter manicure. Let's go. The products and tools used in today's episode are a cuticle pusher, a wooden stick, Indigo Cuticle number 5 bit, Indigo Cuticle number 9 bit, Indigo Cuticle number 15 bit, a 180 to 240 grit file, a 220 to 280 grit buffer, a diamond shine buffer, and shea butter in Arome 99. Shea manicure. What kind of treatment is it and who is it for? As the name suggests, it's a manicure with shea butter to be precise. Rich in nourishing substances, it can rescue our nails when they're damaged or strained. It most often happens during improper styling removal or pick the styling off bit by bit. A shea manicure will be a perfect solution if your client wishes to take a break from gel or gel polish stylings. Shea manicure is also great for men because it doesn't leave any residue, so they don't have to worry someone will notice they've had a manicure done. Well, maybe aside from the wife, who will be very pleased because their nails will be very well taken care of. We start by defining the nail shape using the 180 to 240 grit file, designed for use on a natural plate. Then we polish the nails with a 220 to 280 grit buffer to even out the surface damaged by an incorrectly removed styling. The grit has to be quite high here so that the buffing leaves no visible scratch marks. In case of bigger ridges, or as is in the case of our model's split sections, we can help ourselves with a gentle nail file. Time for the manicure. We push the cuticles back with a metal pusher, reach for Indigo Cuticle number 9 bit, and set the e-file speed to 10 to 15,000 rotations per minute. We work in the opposite direction to the rotation using push-sweep motions. We can flip the client's hand if it makes it easier. Remember to drive the bit at a 45-degree angle. We switch to Indigo Cuticle number 15 bit and keep the speed at 10 to 15,000 rotations per minute. We work from the left curve, driving the bit in short motions in one direction. By the nail wall, we drag the tool down without pushing the tip into the skin. To speed up our work, we first work on all the nails in one direction, then reverse the rotation and tidy the other nail wall, this time starting from the right curve. Using the Indigo Cuticle number 5 bit, shaped like a matchstick, we remove the cuticles. We can also use nail scissors, nippers, or a ball E-bit, depending on the type and condition of the cuticles. If necessary, we can remove individual cuticle bits with nippers and buff the entire surface with the matchstick E-bit set to a speed of no more than 10,000 RPM. Now we ask our model to wash their hands to remove any filing residue. Time for the star of this episode, shea butter from the Indigo Spa collection. What's the fuss all about? Well, it's a rich formula, of course, but aside from the butter itself, you will also find argan, coconut and almond oils, as well as vitamin E. It's the perfect solution for cracked skin, wounds, or areas which require extra healing, as well as dry hair ends. But today, we'll have a look at how it can rejuvenate our nail plate. We reach for the wooden stick and our shea butter. We choose the Arome 99 scented line, which amazes with a combination of fruity notes of orange, nectarine, mango, and raspberry with a deep sandalwood aroma. We place a portion of the butter on each nail, then buff each plate using the 400 grit, purple side of the diamond shine buffer. We carefully massage the product into the nails and gently rub it into the free edge, then repeat the process. We pick some more butter up and apply it to the nails. This time we'll use the white 4000 grit side of the diamond buffer to massage it into the nail plate even further and polish it beautifully. A relaxing hand massage will be the perfect complement to a spa treatment in your salon. To perform it, we take a little shea butter into our gloved hand, warm it up for a while, and gently massage it into the client's skin. The effect of the treatment is visible to the naked eye, but what is important, or perhaps more important, is that the effect lasts up to a week after the treatment. Nourishing butter covers our nail plate, giving it protection and occlusion. And it also nourishes the cuticles, which is crucial if we want to ensure the quick regeneration of our nails. It is undetectable to the touch and invisible to the naked eye, but it is working. So we do not recommend doing any styling for a week after a SHEA manicure. To obtain the best results, the treatment should be repeated. We can invite men back regularly, even every week, and we can provide women with some SHEA butter so that when they return home, they can rub the nourishing butter into their hands and cuticles. Let's not forget that our hands age very quickly, and if we skip them on spa day, no matter how many treatments our face and neck get, everyone will be able to guess our age with ease. Taking care of our hands is our job, but we can't do it all alone. Our clients need to take care of their hands at home too, and Indigo SHEA butter will certainly come in handy. We've reached the end of our episode, but do let us know in the comments below, hand on heart, truthfully, if you take care of your hands. Or maybe they don't get quite enough of your attention, and it will change following this episode. Remember, we're here every Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.